want to get back? Can you stop for pizza or something? Cause I really want to stop for pizza.
Wait, I was. I never was. We can't get back to eat pizza.
That's the bad part. Okay. Gee. Yes, victory will be mine. What? It's Annie. What? The Throne Titans. They're back. What? Right, do something. Okay then. We're back. And you gotta give back that transporter. Yeah. Before we destroy you, are you in my army? Us?
Yeah, you're weak.
Oh, come on. The Dreadheads and I are so much better than you. What makes you say that? Hit it, shall we? What did you think about that? Get him! Come here! You'll never catch me! Come here! Come here! Done! Give me back that transporter! No, we're not ever giving back this transporter. Yeah, let's destroy it forever. Let's take it to a trash dump. That sounds like a good idea, Malhead, and you're on it. Please! And first, let's send the Redheads to somewhere they'll never forget. The trash dump. No! Hide 3!
So, how are we gonna get back home?
None of a map can do anything. Yay! Oh, fine, got rid of us redheads. I know, right? The best play. Dig in! Yeah! Hey! Would that